To create a custom container, you will need to add a div inside a section. You will give this div a class name called container, so you can use that class every time you will need a container for your section. Add whatever max width you want your container to be. Mine will be 1280 pixels. And normal width needs to be 100%. To center a container, you will add auto to margin left and right. And that's it. Now you created your own container, and you don't need to use the lame default one which no one is using. Now every time you want to use your custom container, just add a div element and select class called container which you created at the beginning. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you want more of this quick tutorials.